If you want a simple way to organize your workspace in Zapier, this video will show you exactly how to create folders in Zapier step by step. Folders are a great way to keep your assets clean, separate different projects, and make it much easier to find what you need later. So if you manage multiple automations, clients, or workflows, this is definitely something worth setting up. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go to Zapier and sign into your account if you are not already logged in. Once you are on the main dashboard, look for the Assets section in the left side menu. This is where Zapier keeps items like folders and other reusable assets, so this is the area we need to work in. After that, click on Folders. This will take you to the folder management page, where you can view any existing folders and create a new one. If you are just getting started, this page may look pretty empty, which is totally normal. Now you'll see a Create button. Click on Create to start making a new folder. A small form will appear, and this is where you can define your folder details. In the name field, type the name you want for your folder. Try to choose something clear and easy to recognize, especially if you plan to make multiple folders for different projects or workflows. For example, you might name folders by client, team, campaign, department, or automation type. Using a simple naming system now will save you time later when your account starts filling up with more assets. Once the name is entered, click Save. Zapier will process the request and create the folder for you. After a moment, you should see a confirmation that the folder has been created, and that's it. Your new Zapier folder is now ready to use. From here, you can keep creating more folders whenever you need to organize your work better. This is especially useful if you want to separate testing automations from live automations, or keep different business processes in their own dedicated spaces. And that's how to create folders in Zapier in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.